If you are planning a visit to Denmark, there are some apps you must download to get the most out of your stay. In this video, I go through 11 apps that will improve your Danish visit a lot if you download them. Stick around to the end as I include deals and codes that will also save you some money on transportation and food. Denmark is expensive, so you don't want to cheat yourself on a good deal. Without further ado, let's get started reviewing some must-have apps. Getting around Denmark is super easy if you have the right tools. We start with must-have travel and transport apps that will make your journey in and around Denmark smooth and stress-free. First, let's talk about getting in and out of Denmark. Here's an app that's essential for a smooth experience at Copenhagen Airport. Many people arrive to Denmark through Copenhagen Airport. Here, the CPH Airport App is a lifesaver. It gives you real-time flight updates, gate information, and terminal maps. Plus, you can pre-order duty-free items and reserve parking, making your airport experience as smooth as possible. I use it mainly when I'm leaving to somewhere else, then I check my flight updates, or if I'm picking up my girl from the airport, then I can see if her flight is delayed. The app is super easy to use, so a high recommendation from here. Another great app is Rejseplanen. Rejseplanen is your go-to app for planning any trip within Denmark. Whether you're taking a train, bus or metro, Rejseplanen provides you with a real-time schedule and routes. It's perfect for finding the quickest way to get from A to point B, even if you're in the middle of nowhere in Denmark, or taking a trip actually also to Sweden or Germany. Google Maps is also quite good in Denmark, but it's not as precise as Rejseplanen. The app is also the official app for public transportation in Denmark, so yeah, go figure. Another official transport app is DOT. Din offentlige trafik, or your public traffic. DOT is essential if you are primarily staying and transporting yourself within the greater Copenhagen area. It's great for buying tickets for buses, trains, the metro, and even city ferries. I use it myself as I don't have a Rejsekort, which is the commuter card here around Denmark. The best part about the app is that you can buy a 24-hour city pass, which is super handy if you're planning to explore Copenhagen. You can do that right in the app and it's super easy to use. If you're visiting Denmark and you are a fan of cycling, you'll download, or you have to download, Donkey Republic. This bike sharing app lets you easily rent bikes in major cities like Copenhagen, Aarhus or Odense. Just find a bike near you, unlock it with your phone as you approach the bike, and you're pretty much good to go. The app also helps you find docking stations and available bikes wherever you are. I would say the number of bikes is quite impressive, and it seems like there's always a bike around. Use my gift code in the description below to get 15 minutes free ride time on your donkey bike. For those times when you need a ride but want to stay eco-friendly, check out VIGGO. It's a green taxi service with a fleet of only electric cars. You can easily book a ride, track your driver, and pay through the app. It's like Denmark's version of Uber, you could say, but just better for the environment. Uber's not in Denmark yet, but rumor has it it's actually returning in some form. I personally cannot wait, as I simply love Uber when I'm abroad. It's just so convenient. So go Uber. Another way to get a ride is GoMore. GoMore is a great way to travel cheap and sometimes even in good company from one end of the country to the other. The app allows you to rent cars from locals or find carpooling opportunities if you're looking to save on travel costs and reduce your carbon footprint. It's also a great way to meet people in general. I use the app myself when I'm driving long distances to recuperate some of the costs. But overall, I actually quite like the carpooling concept because it's just good for the environment, obviously, but it's also because it's really nice to talk to people on these long haul drives. It's a great way to meet new people, I think, and just get some stories once you're on the road. Therefore, I left a link below to give you 200 DKK on your next ride with GoMore. Whether you rent a car or choose the carpooling option, you'll still get the credit. So check that out. Now that you've got all the transport sorted, let's talk about the best apps to help you explore Denmark's incredible attractions. GetYourGuide is the perfect service for you if you want to discover Denmark's hidden gems and find cool guided tours. The app offers a wide range of tours and activities, from guided city walks to day trips outside of Copenhagen as well. And the best part is really that you can book everything directly from the app. I always use GetYourGuide when I'm abroad because it's a great way to connect with the local and get more insights about the place I'm visiting. And therefore, I have also found the best tours for you in Copenhagen on GetYourGuide. Use the links below to see my recommendations. If you buy using the links, you support this channel with a small commission paid by GetYourGuide. Thank you, GetYourGuide. No trip to Copenhagen is complete without a visit to Tivoli Gardens. The Tivoli app makes your experience even better. You can buy tickets, skip the lines, and check out real-time information about rides and events. Plus, the app gives you access to special offers and discounts throughout the park. Many Danes buy a year pass to enter the garden through the app, including myself. Tivoli is a wonderful place to stroll on a summer day or even during the winter when it's dressed up for Christmas. So I just highly recommend you just to download the app and check out what's going on in the garden. The Copenhagen Card is a must if you are planning to visit multiple attractions in the city. The app gives you free entry to over 80 attractions in and around Copenhagen, plus unlimited use of public transportation, which is pretty cool. You can easily buy and store your card in the app, making it super convenient to explore without worrying about tickets. I must admit that I haven't used the app myself, as I have always considered it an app for tourists, but I actually think about going to give it a shot and play tourist in my own town for a weekend or something coming up. Could actually be pretty cool. Exploring can also make you a little bit hungry, so let's talk about some apps that will help you find the best dining options and deals. In Denmark, Early Bird is a fantastic app for foodies who love a good deal. It offers last-minute discounts at some of the best restaurants in Denmark. You can score up to 50% off on meals if you book a table through the app. Perfect for those spontaneous dinner plans. If you want to use Early Bird, you can support my channel by using the Early Bird link below. If you buy through the app, Early Bird will give me a small commission fee. Just a disclaimer. Thanks in advance. If you're craving fast food delivered to your hotel or Airbnb, I strongly recommend you WOLT. WOLT is one of the best food delivery apps in Denmark, offering a wide range of cuisines from local restaurants. You can track your order in real time and have it delivered right to your door. Get 50 credits to use for your first 3 orders if you use my coupon code provided in the description below. I use WOLT every week, even for groceries sometimes, which is actually pretty embarrassing, I would say. Just go and get it yourself, but no, it's just so convenient. Yeah, so there you go. So there you have it. These are the top apps that you need to explore Denmark like a local. Whether you're getting around, finding the best attractions, or scoring a great meal, these apps have got you covered, in my opinion. Don't forget to use the coupon codes and links I left for you in the description below. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone else who's coming to Denmark and they will also benefit. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel just to see what's coming up of new videos, or check out my latest videos here and here. Thanks for watching.